Hi guys, this is Meredith at Revitalize MD, and I'm a skincare specialist and laser technician here. And today we're going to be talking about the vampire facial. To those of you who have yet to subscribe, please hit the like button and subscribe to our page so you can view more content for us. For those of you who have already subscribed, thank you so much, and we appreciate you. Today we are going to be talking about the vampire facial as discussed, and basically it doesn't need to be a complicated subject. People don't really know what that's about. So I'm here to just give you a little bit of details about why we do it and what that entails and what that kind of look like so you guys can know what to expect whenever you come into the office. The vampire facial is very simply done by a SkinPen, and that is a microneedling device. And on top of that, we do a PRP treatment on top of the microneedling. So in PRP, very simply put, is just platelet-rich plasma. So it's from your own blood, and we draw your blood whenever you come into the office. We take it to the lab and put that in a centrifuge to spin it down in order to just get that blood serum in order to apply it to your face post-treatment. So there are so many benefits to that PRP treatment. It adds in the healing, it adds with the redness, it adds to reduce inflammation. It's basically your own human growth factors being added to the treatment area when it has been damaged tissue to basically tell the body that it needs to go through a healing process, and that just really aids in the healing process of the microneedling post-treatment. With the SkinPen, if you all are new to the SkinPen, it is a microneedling device that is handheld, and we place a tip on the end, and we're basically just running across the face, everybody kind of has their own pattern, a way that they use the SkinPen. It can vary of depths between a 0.5 and about a 2.5 is about the deepest depth for most people that we go. It's kind of person to person as to what they need in which specific areas that we want to do the deeper on, the forehead and the nose and the upper lip. We're not going to go as deep, obviously. We want to create a inflammation response to the skin in order to have some tissue regrowth from the damage that we're causing. But in general, the SkinPen really can help with tone, texture, vibrance of the skin, getting back that nice glowy color. If you have the acne scarring and damage and or even pigment changes as we get older, it can really help diminish the pigment and not necessarily get rid of sun damage. We have other lasers and things for that, but we're really just focusing on texture. We can use it on acne-prone skin. We can use it on young skin. We can use it on patients who are older and just not really ready to go down the laser road yet. So there are multiple benefits with the SkinPen. It's very low pain tolerance as well for this procedure. We put on topical numbing before the treatment, let you sit for about 30 minutes before we begin. Cleanse all of that off, and then go ahead and draw your blood, of course, for the PRP, and then go into the procedure. My name is Meredith here at Revitalize MD, and we really appreciate you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page, and hopefully I will see you soon for that vampire facial.